Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Avondale, Newfoundland. This charming town, located on the Avalon Peninsula, is rich in history and offers unique attractions. A significant landmark in Avondale is the Avondale Railway Station, constructed in 1870. Initially serving as a repeater station for the first telegraph line to St. John's, it later became a freight and passenger station under the Reed Newfoundland Company. Today, the station stands as a testament to Newfoundland's transportation history and has been designated a registered heritage structure. Nature lovers can explore nearby parks such as Butterpot Provincial Park and the scenic trails of the Avalon Peninsula, providing picturesque landscapes and opportunities for outdoor activities. Avondale's rich history and vibrant community spirit make it a unique destination.
Thank you very much.
Whether exploring its historical sites or enjoying local events, visitors are sure to experience the warmth and charm of this Newfoundland town.
Thanks for watching!